Hey guys, welcome back to episode 3 of rebuilding my Polaris jet ski. So as you can see in front of you, this is the remainder of what we have left after completely tearing this thing down. Now we just have a filthy hull that needs pressure washed. So that's what we're going to go ahead and get going on. To start with, I'm just taking regular water with pressure washer. Kind of knock off all the loose stuff. There's a lot of stuff that's really crusted on here. Especially here on the sides. Some nice slime buildup. Seems like most of what's in here is pretty crusted on. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this with some Dawn dish soap in my foam cannon. I don't know that it's gonna foam up much, but it'll help a little bit. Actually works pretty good. Now that we got this thing nice and lathered down with soap, go ahead and wipe it down with some rags. Try to knock the rest of that stubborn stuff loose. I don't know how good you guys are going to be able to see in here, but so I'm using this green pressure washer tip, and it basically spins the water in a spiral, so it kind of acts in almost like a scrubbing motion. And it really seems like it's getting a lot of this crap off a lot better than just that flat angle tip was. All right, guys. So, as you can tell, maybe, this hull is a lot cleaner than it was. A lot of this stuff is just from where the pressure washer broke it loose and kind of sprayed it all over the place. But overall, this hull is very clean compared to how it used to be. The outside looks really nice. Fortunately, there's really not that much gel coat damage either, other than right back here toward the back of the ski. There's a little bit of damage on that side, but the rest of it, I mean, there's some scratches, but then again, it is a close to 30-year-old ski, so what can you expect? Underside really isn't terrible either. I mean, there is definitely some scratching, as you would expect for something this old that's had who knows how many hours on it, but no major cracks or anything, so that is definitely a plus.